everybody, welcome to the Silly Kitchen. Today I wanted to take a couple minutes to show you a refrigerator favorite of mine. It's a very easy put together bean salad that is beautiful and colorful and that I like to make ahead of time, maybe on a Saturday or Sunday, and then I have it in the fridge ready to go for 3 or 4 days as a snack, as an addition to my meal, whatever it might be. So I have a couple ingredients here, and feel free to change it up if you want to try this at home, but you want to have your beans to start. So I've got some red kidney beans, some white kidney beans, and some black beans as my base for this salad. Then I want to green it up a little bit, and I choose to do an edamame. Okay, this is a good one. I say this wrong all the time. Edamame beans. Whatever you want to call them, those beautiful little green things that you buy in the store. You can do soybeans, you can do lima beans, whatever works for you. And then the other things that I like to add for sweetness is corn. And I also chopped up some red and yellow bell peppers. So it's gonna be beautiful and colorful. The other thing that I like to do, because I like a little crunch in my salad, is celery. It is one of my favorite vegetables. It's weird, it's watery and crunchy, but I love it. So definitely, if you are a celery lover like I am, add some celery, have some crunch. A couple of the things that you might want to avoid adding into this salad, I would say things like tomatoes, cucumber, because those things are going to get mushy if you're making this for a couple of days. So stick to kind of harder vegetables. I've used cauliflower, I've used broccoli, I've thrown in asparagus during asparagus season. Just chop it up nice and small. So there's lots of different variations that you can do, but stay away from those wet and juicy vegetables for now, or add them in later if you're making it for the longer term. So you just go ahead and add all your ingredients in a big giant bowl. Personally, what I like to do is use a container with a lid so that we can shake it all up afterwards. But also that way you're making it in the bowl, you're closing it in the bowl, and then you just stick it in your refrigerator, grab it as you need it, take a little scoop out when you're hungry. I mean, I like easy in the kitchen. I don't want to work too hard. Okay, so the bowl is full. Give it a shake. Now what? Okay, well, we need a little bit of seasoning. So I like a nice dry parsley flake. You can use any other herb if you'd like. Give it a good sprinkle, as much, as little as you want. Salt and pepper, always a key in the kitchen. Again, as much, as little, whatever your taste buds are telling you today, you do that. The other thing is that we need a little bit of a wet ingredient, kind of like a salad dressing. But you don't need to buy something with a ton of calories or a ton of different ingredients. How about just a little bit of plain old vinegar? Throw that in there. And then pick your favorite extra virgin olive oil. You can do a flavored olive oil, you can do just a plain old olive oil. Again, this is totally up to you, but look how quickly I made that right in front of your eyes, literally maybe 2-3 minutes. Everything's in a bowl. I mean, I did pre-chop and clean some of the vegetables, so okay, maybe it takes 10 minutes to make or 15 minutes to make, depending how much you chop and how quick you are at cleaning veggies, but this is it. You give it a good mix and you are all done. Well, before I put it in the fridge, I have to taste test it. I'm not have to talk with my mouth full because I don't know how to take TV bites yet. But now we put the lid on, put it in the fridge, and you've got salad ready for days.